Batou, hello everyone, I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a new video of Nouvelle Apprenant le Français Part 1, that means the new ALF Part 1. Today we are going to start with its lesson 0, and throughout this book we are going to cover in total 11 chapters starting from chapter 0 till chapter 10. On the first page we have is the map of France, and then comes the lesson 0, which is Explorant la France, that means exploring the France. Now that is exactly what we are going to do while reading this chapter with all the fun facts they have given to us, and we are also going to see what an interesting country France is. So throughout the journey of reading all the chapters of this book, Didou the mouse will be with us, helping us to understand better. So let us look at what he is saying. Bonjour, je suis Didou, la souris. Venez en France avec moi. Hello, I am Didou the mouse. Come with me to France. So the first point that we have is France, that means France, is often called l'hexagone because of its shape. Now l'hexagone in English means hexagon, and from the map that Didou is pointing towards, we can clearly figure it out, the 6 sides of the country France. Now coming to the location, it occupies a favorable position in the European continent between the Mediterranean Sea and the English Channel. So the map beside us comes handy while looking at the Mediterranean Sea, that is Le Mer Méditerranée, and La Manche, which is the English Channel. Now we have is Paris. Paris means Paris, that is the capital city of France. Now Paris is also known as La Ville Lumière, that means the city of lights. That is because of its role during the Age of Enlightenment, and also because it was the first to use gas street lights. Now the Age of Enlightenment refers to a period of time in the French Revolution that you guys are going to learn in higher classes. Now we have is le drapeau français, that means the French flag, and it is tricolored in bleu, blanc et rouge. Now from the color of the text, you might be able to guess which is bleu is blue, blanc is white, and rouge is red. Now we have some famous things of France. It is well known for many things, but a few of them are its museums, landmarks, cheeses, etc. So coming to museums, we have is le Musée du Louvre, le Musée d'Orsay. Then we have its landmarks, la Tour Eiffel, la Cathédrale de Notre-Dame, et les châteaux. Now here la Tour Eiffel means the Eiffel Tower, la Cathédrale de Notre-Dame means the Church of Notre Dame, and we have les châteaux. Les châteaux are the palaces. The most famous one is le Château de Versailles, the Palace of Versailles. Now we have its cheeses, les fromages françaises, le camembert, le brie, le gruyère, etc. Next we have is l'euro. L'euro is euro, which is the currency of France, along with the currency of many European nations. Then we have is le 14 juillet, 14th of July. Now that is a very important and special date in perspective of exams, and that is the National Day of France. Now the important things most likely to be coming in your exams are l'hexagone as a synonym of France, and the names of the French flag, museums, landmarks, cheeses, etc. Now on the next page we have is Regardons des attractions en France. Our little friend Didou is saying to us, let us look at some of the well-known attractions of France. So firstly we have is l'Arc de Triomphe de l'Étoile. That is on des Champs-Élysées à Paris, at the top of the Champs-Élysées in Paris. Next we have is le Musée du Louvre au centre de Paris, at the center of Paris. La Tour Eiffel au Parc du Champ de Mars à Paris, in the Park of Champ de Mars in Paris. Next we have is les Arènes d'Arles. It is a Roman amphitheatre which in French is known as Amphithéâtre Romain or Sud de la France à Arles, in the south part of France in Arles. Next we have is La Cathédrale de Notre-Dame, which is in the lake city of Paris, dans la île de la Cité, Paris. Le Château de Versailles, the Palace of Versailles. In Versailles, it is near Paris. À Versailles, près de la Paris. So that's it for today's video. In this, we have covered the whole chapter. And if you have any doubts, please do comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. With that, in the next video, we are going to cover the question answers with the detailed info. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.